Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a company logo here in Canva. So after you've opened Canva, you're going here to the left sidebar, then click on templates, and then click on logo. But if you don't immediately see it here, just scroll to the side until you see it, then click on it. And from here, there are a lot of templates that you can utilize. But if you're looking for a specific theme, you can also search for it over here at the search bar, or you can also search for company logo, or if there's a specific theme related to your company, you can also search for that. And you just want to go ahead and search for a template that works best for you. So I'm just going to click on this template. Then once you've chosen your template as well, just click on it, then click on customize this template. And from here, you can go ahead and customize the template, turn it into your own logo, put your own company name, and after you're done with that, just click on share and click on download, and that's it. Thanks for watching.